Something alright. Something alright. Me have a weird dream last night, say me a bounty killer. Weird dream last night, say me a bounty killer. Get up out of the bed here, man. Cross, hungry, miserable, bounty killers in the building. Youth, where you say you have dream? You have dreams, say you are me? Well, how you feel? Now you are me. Wagwan, JWG Nation, that's how you calling yourself. Won't not deal it. Warlord is in the building. Yo, hear me I say. What your name, girl? What your name? How you have Gaza Nation up there? Hey, girl, what you do to me? A alliance for up there, so you know, girl. Had this DC General, you know, girl. Had this DC General. Wagwan people, welcome back to another episode of GTA Online City Patrol. Today, me I do it as Bounty Killer. You know the thing, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you like the episode. People, wish me luck. What kind of car this the general have, man? Yo, which one I'm carrying me for T4 today? That. Why I'm painting the whole of them same color? Youth, you can't paint one in a black. You don't know, say the general did go up here. I heard Warlord. I heard the general, the killer. Bounty Killer, aka Rodney Price. Youth, how you fi paint the whole I carry them in a blue? A fool you take me for? Yo, let me run go upstairs, go see why I'm dealing. You know, say me not play with people already. Youth, if you're not pull up your folly ground, you have to go down. Youth, make we see what going upstairs. People, make sure you see you like him on video. Make sure you see you comment on him on video. Yo, alright, now we're talking. Missy red the panic. Everything a black and red. How what this? How what that something here? Make me jump on it and see what going. How wait, hold on. Where the wheel them there? Youth, how would that man do to me? How would the don't cause no bad word, youth. Don't cause no bad word. How I go. That thing it float. Yo, that thing a float. How the brother ya, man? How the brother ya? How ya do youth? How ya do youth? How who ya punch down there so youth? You want me stabbing in your neck? Hey boy! No ramp with the general. How what this you put ya so youth? What this you put ya so? Me no want this. Hey, that favor my one. Take it out of my city. Me no want it in ya. You bright and face you out of order and stink youth. Make me fly out. As him jump on it, me blow up him nastiness. Him not know say me a the general. Me a the whole general fin of the city. Youth, me no have no pity. Youth, land down here so. Let me see what him a go do. Cause if him go pan it, him a go dead. I hard na go peer him no pan it. Boy, me nah ramp with no na who no. Go pan it if you bad, no? Go pan it if you bad and take off. Youth, take off. Take off, youth. Where you cross road I go, youth? Hey! Youth, you mean to tell me say you met the general? Hey boy, you dirty up the general clothes a grung, youth? How you fit dirty up the general clothes a grung, boy? Hey, no ramp with hey boy. Make me go back for me thing. Because them boy I must think say a joke thing. Me a go back. Him a put something for me up press that me not trust him. Where that boy a do, man? I wait there. Mendes, follow that boy and see which part him there for me there. No say alliance boss no ramp with people. Me not trust him one bit. Youth, you know say me nah gonna make you kill me. Not again. Where you there? Show your dirty self, youth.
She wasn't ready.
He's off of that boy. You're dead now in a boy. You're dead in a boy. All some other blow up there in a boy. Youth, no me I go blow up this. Me no like this in a me city. Youth, you'd feel like I did joke me did a make. Blow that up. Me no want it in ya. You feel like joke me did a make? When the general speak, youth, bad me bad, bag dog grab. You think a joke thing this boy? How me reach up on a billion and figure for me thing, you know? That me want know. Mendes, find the leather. Hey, boy, find the leather, me go for me thing. If me can't find the leather, you know where I go on. Me I go hungry, and when me get hungry, boy, I go dead. He might come around the corner. Alright, come in for your bad. Alright, see me? No make him kill you again in the youth. No make him kill you. Youth. Wait there. Hey! Blood. Handbrake down cause no bad word. Youth. What you do a while ago, youth? I murder me again, boy. I murder me again, boy. Alright? Me dope you go come back and heart your blood. Don't cause no bad word once again. You have to remember, say, the bad word thing now go work. Remember, say, Pitney watch the thing. Remember, say, them mothers and watch the thing too. Youth. Hey. Who a give me gunshot? The boy a give me gunshot. Me have gunshot for you too, youth. When there? Bullet. How when there, man? How me I miss him so, man? When there? Show yourself. Bullet. See the nastiness there? Youth! Come down and say your bad. Youth! Where you there, boy? Oh, blood! You all the bad word, you deaf? No cuss, no bad word in the thing, youth. You nah, no ears. You hard of hearing now, what, youth? How you fi make the man kill your youth? How you fi make the man kill your Jaja? Yo. How you fi make the man kill your youth? How war you want war with the general, boy? Hey, boy. Hey, jump it. How what you do, boy? You want that, boy? Blood. Hold it, youth. Hold it. Wrong gun you take out. And the long gun you fi take out. Hey, boy. How would that boy, man? You don't know, say the general a city patrol. How would that, hey? I'm a level 36 and I'm a deal with me so wicked. You feel semi insipid. You feel semi stupid. Youth, how are you there? Show your dirty self, youth. Watch me and your nastiness. Me and you can't in the same city. Smaddy have to go beg for pity. I mean, no one know me. Youth. You gone? How were you gone, youth? Where you been gone, youth? You think of some pram push thing this? I went there. I went there. Me never come out in a of a war. Me never come in as of a war. But if you want a war, make it start yasso. Make it start yasso. Youth, look how you make me drop in a nice suit. I'm mad, you're mad. Hey, how you little? Hey, watch yourself, man. Watch yourself. You beat pan like you don't see the general in a road with long gun. I want to your youth. I want to your boy. No cross. Angry. Miss him. Oh no man. Better no man in no one business, you know. Better no man in no one business, you know. Me have the rifle, hey boy. Me have the long gun here, sir. Things me rampant people. Boy. How them police, man? How them Babylon boy, man? Sure. Hey, boy. Oh, hey, what you try to youth? You know, some me have long gun. Don't come up. Stay in your car and dead, boy. If you don't mind your own business, you wouldn't dead. No ramp with the general. No ramp with the warlord. Youth. Better me try to lose them. Boy, yeah. Me not carry them back to the base. You don't know the base set up already. Me have all I done them up there. Since the Kalanchi up there. Cartel no. God, my son, they are prison. Yo. Watch it, roadblock. Bust the left. Youth. Roadblock here, all the general youth. You never know that. How will I try it? I stop, you want me stop? That not gonna happen. That will never happen. Youth. Make me left the city. How for your car faster than mine? Alright? Give me the carrier then. The carrier me want. Come out. Ease out. The carrier me want. I catch me a while ago. Hey, Hey boy. Hey boy. Yeah, go let the general handle. Blood. Don't cause no bad word. Hamburg. Alright. Watch where I go on now. I wonder if me can get a helicopter. How was that over my head? How was that? Him gone? I wonder if him gone. Them never know see the general rich. The general of helicopter when parking on Middle Road. Hey boy. How would that boy them man? The boy with that kill me a while ago. How when me? Make me go back to my oppressor. I saw it name. I saw me see them call it. Me don't even know. But make me go back feet and see me can kill a boy if I ever drop a bomb my feet. You see? Hey! Walk one! Miss! Blood clot! Hold it, youth! Don't cuss no bad word. General. Happy general. You know who we are this? You know who we are ramp with? Hey boy. Right now me get hungry. Cross, miserable. Left. Give me the mini. Hey girl, if you lick me down, you hey boy. Hey. Oh you drive woman car boy. Come out and mash him up. Oh you drive woman car boy. Hey boy. Oh you drive woman car. Me think that woman a while ago boy. Hey girl. Hey you lick a while ago. Oh you lick a while ago. Shoot in a face. Me no know say me not have no blood. All the bad one you don't cause no cross, hungry, miserable. Left. Wrong way me a go. Hey, who tell if you buy a car like my one? Who tell you buy a car like? Hey, boy, you know who you are ramp with? How them people up and who not ramp with? Who no want some bullet? Who no want some bullet? Or who no shoot after boy? Who no want bullet? Hey, security boy. Hey, know yourself. All your posts are loose. Hey, boy. You eat too much donut. Look how you're fat. You're not fit. Hey, boy, where you jump fence? Lock pick? How where you at, man? Give me all the money. No dub plate, no advice from with them who want to no money. Hey, give me the whole of the money. I want to no boy. Hey, run around us. See if we can loot out Jesus. Them boy, man. Them pull. Hi, hello. Who not ramp with? Have me not disrespect? Who don't know say me running thing? You're not dead. You're not dead yet. Execution style. One in your face. The ramp with the general is a big disgrace. Hey boy. People, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe. Whatever them there is, we don't even know them thing there. But like, comment and subscribe. Yo, the man ever telling us, yo, if you don't like the video, you don't leave a like, you don't leave a comment, you don't leave a hey. Yo, me don't talk about a like something there. Him also ever telling us big up JWG Nation. How what JW mean? How what JWG mean, boy? How what JWG mean? Hey boy, where you the pan phone? Hey boy, where you the pan phone, boy? You want me give you one more time, Maggie? Hey boy, one more time, Maggie. Left your ground saggy. No ramp with the general. How where you do, boy? You want some of this? Wrong smaddy. Me no play with people, you know you. You know, say me not too laughy. Me not too talky. People, hear me I say. You see, if you don't want a next episode with the warlord tonight again, the warlord himself, I heard the one. If you want a next episode like that, make me know so me can tell that boy how we are run that gate. Hey, come on, no try. Hey, blood. Hold it down, bad one. Hey, police. Ease out. Bullet. Cross. Hungry. Miser. Hey, you see a rifle me a bus. Oh, you bus pie. I want to try this in general, boy. Yo, take a carry and cut. Hey, boy, you never dead. You're never dead. Hey, boy. You're fit dead, you know. You know, say me no like Babylon, boy. Me no like police. I wanna lock up cartel. Hey boy, if you make me crash in your car, hey boy, hold them shot ya. Hold them guns, bullet. Cut before them kill you. Blood, hold the bad word you. Don't cuss no bad word. Cross, hungry, miserable. You look like somebody a fly helicopter. That boy a fly helicopter. Alright. He might come after me. Alright, cool. Alright, now see a word. Hey boy. How am they? Blood clot. Don't cuss nobody. Hey police, how you know kill man? Who want to know blood spill man? How want, hey boy, you know want shot drill you know? Where the boy there? Forward the helicopter now. Let me get the boss one in your blood. Don't cuss nobody what you. Him a forward? Him not forward. See him over there so there. See little idiot over there so. Imagine me took out a pressor and can't get it. Let me call my mechanic. Youth, go around the road, go check the mechanic. Cause him now move right. Youth, look from when me want me thing. Yes, me want me wheels. What you mean you're too close to your current personal vehicle? Hey boy, when me pay you for boy, you see from this day now, you're fired until the next hombre hired you. I hired the one, I hired the boss. So when me I go do you now? Me I go stop. Hey boy, how you so fat? Eh? How you eat? Hey boy, you can't run left gunshot? You can't run left bullet? Eh? Hey boy, come here. Hey boy, what you gonna do about it? You can't run left bullet? Eh? Hey boy, you can't run left gunshot? Eh? Eh? Me I do you food a favor. Stop nyam. Blood. Don't cuss no bad word, you're deaf. You can't no cuss no bad word in a one. Hey boy, no get warlord angry. Miserable cross. Alright. Word up. Wow, on him up. Alright, me need to cut. See like one bounty over here, so. Go over here, so. And see if we can check out that bounty there. You know, see a mini and bounty killer ready. I hard one. Cross. I'm over there, so you need to go over there in the mini and bust up him face. You know, hire the warlord, aka bounty killer, aka Rodney Price. Big up yourself, Miss Ivy. R.I.P. Mama. Rodney, love you. You can't too soon. Them boy have to know, say. I'm the general. And if a boy not like it, do something about it. Rifle a go rise like the sun in the sky. Hey boy, you know see me a alright, me good. Me no bother want kill you. You're lucky, say me never mash up. And if me mash up, you go dead. And when you're dead, you're not gonna like it. Your mother go ball a big funeral. One bounty in that building, yeah, I got. How so much people up on the map? Yo, let me go. Yo, voila. Cross, hungry, miserable. Hey girl, you look good, eh? Baby. Yeah. How kind of music you listen to, baby? Rock has some killer. Warlord of business, everybody did. Hey girl, you know see me a sing hey girl. Hey, near Range Rover. No rock with the general in your girl. You know see me that sing for you. Where you run off gone? Alright. Time for people dead now. Time for people dead. I'm bounty over here, so me I go for that first. You know, say, me not take no pardon from no boy. Once a war. Youth use a bounty, and me a the killer. How you gone, youth? How you gone? Show yourself. Before, hey boy, know yourself and show yourself. How are you there, boy? Alright. Miss you can't hide. Hey boy. How am there? Youth. How was that boy? You gone in a house can do, man? You know, see me come to kill you. We gone in a house can do, boy. Hey, I don't like on the style, you know. You see that boy you ready that war with me a while ago? Him thinks a war. Hold on, bounty come back out. The bounty come back outside. When him thinks me a leave, a sudden destruction under him face. When then? Show yourself, boy. Know yourself, boy. Hey, boy. You don't know, say. You hide. Alright? Go and hide. You must come out. When you come out, you are going dead. And when you're dead, you are going to see how me did kill you. You better come outside. Hey, boy. Alright? Me have something for you. Right there, so. As you jump out, you get your teeth pumped out. Hey boy, alright. Me a go lay with you. Remember say me have all that time in the world. Remember say, let me sit down right just across the road. Hey boy, come out of if you're bad. You're dead. How you feel? How you feel? You never know, say the general did a wait. You think you're going to escape? Hey boy, thank you for the $7,000. Me can go buy some more black glasses, some shoes, and some more black clothes. You know, see a coronavirus time and a show now keep. Me have to keep up. If I don't plate money, I'm killing money. Boy. Hey boy. Oh, so much corporates are done yourself, man. What this? Come on, I city. Hey boy. Hey boy. Why? Blood. All it you know about that would. Them man, them kill me, man. Look them. Look how me drop like a roast breadfruit and drop off a tree, man. Hey, how I go on? How I go on? I don't like on the style, man. So, hey, where me bike? Where me bike there? Jesus Christ, so one boy they run here, so yeah?
Bruh.
Youth! How you kill me so much time, youth? Danny 17. You know, say, me have a Glock 17 figure too tight. You know, say, me have a Glock 17 figure too tight. Alright? War is in the air. How about that? How am I drive so fast, man? Hey, boy. See me? How am there? How am there, man? Hey, boy. Show yourself. Hey, boy. You if you kill me and run. How can I dirty style that? Dirty style that. Yo, me go take out revenge on some boy around here, so you know. Me nah stop until me kill back one of you. Who make one friend kill me a while ago. Youth. Hey. Hey. Jump down yourself. Run. How about this? Operate. Oh God, them dead, you know. Them dead. All when them beg youth. Alright. Watch I go on. Right there, so me I go. You know, stuck. You know, connect. Right there, so it there. Alright, as you fly off, you get die off. Cross, angry, miserable. Youth. Me feel evil. You know why I'm to the general? How this away from the pause menu? Wrong thing. You go so your back turn.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Wrong thing. Better you did not turn. Shot from out of nowhere. Look round. Steve there. Me grab the Glock. Smack him back. And dash it way. Take a 9 from half of one of the cops. Blood soak me clocks. Me beat it like a child. Forget remarks. Hey boy, your life lost. Copper to your face. Big disgrace. Cops arrive. Me grab me Glock. Me make him have it. Walk away. Quickly like a junkie. Leave a junkie. You know, say you never did have to kill me there, so. You know, say me you go war now, boy. You know, say the general you disrespect. Alright, watch me, you. Watch me, you. That now go lie sweet with me. Hey, boy, that can't lie sweet with me, no time. Hey, boy. Violate the general. And think the general I go take that. Hey, boy, what you do a while ago? Hey. Gunshot for your head back. You know what you do? How me I get so much shot, man? Run you. Blood. Don't cause no bad word. Handbrake. How the man, man? I generally my rampage, so. Wrong man, wrong time, wrong place. Me go bust a shot right in your face. You're not afraid of God. You're not afraid of God. Hey, boy. Hold this. Wagwan, baby. You're looking all fine. I hope you're having a good day. Spot her, no man. Look on the walk. Go there, girl. Hey, bust a walk. Bust a wine. Bust a walk. No one of my song that. Me can't sing that song, yeah. Me no have no girl song. Or me a sing people song. I me have girl song. Girl, you have it up. Girl, you fat it up. Left. Me no want sing that song there. That song there. Darling. My eyes can see more clear. As long as you're standing there. Seems like I'm in a dream. Our things are the way. Sorry, baby. Didn't mean to make you mad. Wish I never make you sad. It's okay. Sorry, baby.
I don't want to live on this planet anymore.
It's okay. It's alright. We gonna make it on the morning flight. I'm gonna do all the things you like champagne and the candlelight. Hey, gal. Touch your body when the mood is right. Hey, boy, move out of my way, man. Hey, boy, move out of my way, man. Touch your body when the mood is right. And sing in the light. Blood. Baby, wake up. Me no want to see under your skirt yet. Girl, if you make me run your dog, me I got tired. When me tired, me I get hungry, cross, and miserable. When me get cross, hungry, and miserable, me I go kill you. Hey, girl, stop. Red light. Where you broke your red light for? Girl, stop. Hey, girl, you call ya make me run out in a road. Suppose you make care like general, man. Hey, girl, you not here if you stop. Huh? Give me your money. $12 you have. Hey, girl, if you go work and get bigger money for money, you know. Hey, motorbike. Hey, give me this. Give me this. And feel me this. Give me this. Feel me this. You think me a ramp with people? Hey, boy, just, hey, boy. Who you give me the finger, boy? Hey, blood. Hey, boy. Hey. No give general no middle finger. He miss. Yo, me not take that. Me go after him. Me not take no middle finger. This. No. I know so. Blood. Hey, boy. You can't make me get hungry, man. Hey. How are this? Hey. How you do, youth? How you do, youth? How are you, youth? How are you, and war? How are you, and war? Yeah, try something. Alright, there's something for you. Don't worry yourself. Come back again. Come back again. No try that, boy. No try that at 2 times you kill me. Yes, man. You know, so me have some bullet to replace, man. How am to you, youth? How am to you, boy? Come and run up a man in our presser like you feel some afraid of you. You don't know, say me have the vapor for vaporize your nastiness. Now, hey, give me the carrier. Bound to kill a business. Curse, hungry, Mr. Rebel. Warlord, no business, everybody did. But try to hold the piece and why busting am head. Hey, Kilo, you madman. Beanie man, no bad man. Hey, boy, Beanie. Boy, Beanie. Watch it, youth. Where you stand up a hey, boy, where you dance with light post for youth. See it now, you're dead. You're not dead. Hey, boy, you trick me. How you feel tricky, general? Hey, watch them police, yeah. Move. Me no like uno. Me no like uno. He's out. Boy, brain a get leak out. You think some ramp with people? Hey, what you want? What you want? You not see me ask you. Hey, boy. Bullet. Me have some gunshot for no. Some bullet. You think some me that go back and me head with them bullet, yeah? Me not spare nobody. Hey, blood. Yo, dreaming a dream a while ago? You can't me stand up on a dream. You want big things up. Yo, something alright about that day, yeah. Something alright about that day, yeah, no, man. Yo, me go back on my bed, yeah, man. People, me now make an episode today. Something alright. Me go back on my bed. People, have a good day. Peace.